Hello friends, these lines below just came to mind when I met a young friend who was involved in the conservation of snow leopards. Excellent work, doing very well, very happy, lives abroad somewhere. And so it made me think that, we are all involved in a million things today. Life is not simpler than it was, it's far more complicated. It's not a matter of just getting up in the morning and getting on your bicycle or walk or whatever it is and get to work, whatever you do, agriculture or produce, and then get back in the evening and get your snooze and your sleep and then get back again. And when your time is up, well, then you go and report to the Almighty's gate somewhere in the heavens. And I thought to myself, we spend so much time and effort and money and things, and in the pursuit of happiness through money, which I think is nothing more than mirage, because money doesn't get you happiness. I remember the old Doris Day song that, and money lies at the root of all evil is what that song said. A very old song, I think maybe 80, 90 years ago or something. So just these lines below, and I hope people begin to think that we humans also need some care and conservation and affection. We're not here just to be blown up by very sophisticated modern missiles. Conservation of lions, tigers, leopards, elephants, rhinos, snakes, et al. What about us humans, folks? Do we not need someone to also care for us, apart from the Almighty, of course? Or is humanity just a hoax?